So, I'm going to tell you something that may make you feel a little uncomfortable, okay? Making money is not your first problem. Building structure is. Because if you grow income without building structure, you don't create wealth, you just create more pressure, right? When I say families need more governance. That's just a term for government. You need government for your family, right? It's not about boardrooms or lawyers, but it's really talking about who makes the decisions in your family, right? What are the rules? What is the money actually for? What happens if something happens to you, right? Are the kids being trained or are they watching? That's what real structure is. That's what governance is. And really, most families skip it. In a lot of our families, the most successful person is the plan. Okay. They're the ones that pay for the emergencies, they solve the problems, they keep the peace, they are the safety net, right? But if you're the system, what happens when you're tired or overwhelmed or just not here, right? That's when real growth falls apart. So income is such a blessing. And when you finally make it, baby, that's the best feeling in the world, right? But income without rules, without roles, and without rhythm disappears very, very fast. Okay. I'm going to make this simple for you. If nobody knows the plan, if nobody knows the passwords, if nobody knows what the money is really being built for, then the money gets spent emotionally. Okay. It's not strategic, and that's not a money issue. That's a lack of governance. That's a structure issue, right? So hard work gets you up, but structure keeps you up, right? Growth multiplies money, and structure multiplies the clarity, right? And clarity is really what protects your rise when it comes to generational wealth. Now, the families who do not restart every generation, right? They talk about money openly. They assign responsibility early. They write things down. They train their kids on purpose. They plan past one lifetime. That's what I call the family wealth operating system. It's not fancy, but it is intentional. Okay. Now, baby, when you get the money, that upward mobility is beautiful, okay? But it's fragile when you do not have structure for your family. So the real question is not how can I make more money? The question is, have I built something that can run without me? Right? If you're ready to see what this looks like in real life, I want you to join me for the Family Wealth Blueprint on Friday. Okay? That's where we're going to build it together. I'll see you then.